Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will show you how to change background color of HTML elements. If you watch this video till the end, then you will learn to change background color of HTML elements like this. As you can see, background color of first HTML element is black and background color of second HTML is also black and background color of third HTML element is blue. Now without further delay, let us see how to change background color of HTML element. First of all, let us start coding. Now let us change title of document to changing background color. Now let us create three HTML element. Let us create h1 element first. This is h1 element. Put line break at the end. Now let us create h2 element. This is h2 element. Put line break at the end. Now let us create p element. Now let us copy and paste dummy text. Now let us save the file and see our HTML elements are created or not. Go to file, select save. As you can see, we could create three HTML elements. Now by using CSS, let us change background color and text color of all three elements. To use CSS, we need to go to his section and use style tag. Let us go to his section. Use style tag. Select h1 element. Type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us change background color of h1 element to black. For changing background color, we need to use background hyphen color property. Now let us set the value of background color to black. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us change text color of h1 element to white. Let us use color property and set the value of color property to white. Now let us select h2 element, type opening and closing curly braces. Let us change background color to black. Put semicolon at the end. Let us change text color to yellow. Let us use color property and set the value of color property to yellow. Now let us select p element, type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us change background color to blue. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us change text color of paragraph element to white. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save our file and see we could change background color and text color of all these three elements or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, we could change background color and text color of all three HTML elements. Okay guys, this was the way of changing background color. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.